Hey guys, GR Hydrographics. We're going to do a little dipping. Check it out. We the people. We are the people. Just laid it in the tank. You got to let it soak for about 60 seconds. I'm going to go hit the timer. Be right back. Got to make sure you got to blow all the bubbles out. But if you're good, no bubbles. So we're good. So now you just got to wait. It's like an eternity around here, but I mean, we got our trusty dog. Hey, Rico, come here, bud. This is Mr. Rico Suave. He's my helper, but he doesn't do much. Out. See ya. Activator gun. This here's the deluxe model. It's got the rag with the little chingazo on it. Check it out. Can't buy these in stores. Should be wearing a mask, but I kind of like the smell. There you go, guys. We the people. Lock and load.